Part 5. I figure if I cut it up into little segments, they upload it to YouTube easier. So, that's what I'm trying to do, I guess. Will they be able to save the life of their friend? Or will they have to continue the mission without him until he reinserts? Oh, Potu's trying so hard. Where's that tank? There he is. Hold on, big boy. Get over there.
On the
I'm
way.
on top of this hill. Body deletion time. And delete. Swagger's down, that sucks. Oh, damn. Did you get hit by this guy? I figure you did. You dragged this guy out of the box, though. I'll just full heal you. It seemed like it was something shitty, but I don't know. Just wake up. Surprised? Have him to hit? Oh yeah, that's right. They shot the guy. Whee! That's war crimes. Shooting at a parachuter. Don't land. You look it up. Oh God, why? Give me this. No, this is. You walk it off, wow. All right, you guys stop getting shot through walls. I'm gonna ask you guys to do the impossible and stop getting shot through walls by OP ArmA AI. Jokes. I got them.
Solid copy.
Yeah. Bullshit happens. Bullshit happens. Ah yes, the statue of the guy they killed earlier. That sounds painful, Whiskey. Sounds like some ArmA bullshit happened to you. Continue on.
Уже в пути.
Go forth, protect your homeland.
Wilco.
Are you really just driving slow because it's set slow? It's actually kind of impressive for ArmA AI to actually do what they're told in the way that they were told to do it. Oh, my back. I think he saw the tank.
On the way. Roger.
Don't go too far. Right there's fine. And peek it. You can do it. Well, fucked it up a bit. I think it's time to run.
Jericho, lightning salients or message.
This is Jericho, I am receiving.
Lightning salients have stumbled across a helicopter. Looks like an Mi-6 if memory serves correctly. Compound is cleared and the helicopter is sitting here.
Understood. You can either steal or explode the helicopter to complete that objective.
Roger, I'll have an answer for you shortly. I'm going to consult with the team.
Understood. Good job. Shake up on these boys. Alright, well. You gotta steal it, huh?
Jericho, so lightning salients, we decided to take the helicopter and we're taking it back to base.
Understood. Enjoy your new joyride. I like it when they actually take things instead of just blowing them up. Let's remove some dead bodies.
Buddy left your channel.
Kind of want to get their attention here. Please. Go here. One guy there. Move you out of the way, I guess. And, yeah, there's a guy on there. Fuck it. Fire sport. Create a target on here, I guess. Artillery fire mission. No artillery. What? These are artillery. They're dual purpose. They work like artillery and anti-tank guns. Maybe it's just because it is the AT version. Darn it. Alright. Let's try it this way then. I'll load. I'll leave the anti-tank in there. What can I see? Guess I'll just fire here. I should load the HE. Oh.
Hey, who's in that giant heli?
You're lucky I can't aim any lower. Alright. Get out.
Hold fire.
Fine. Maybe you will.
Channel switched.
Ugh.
Channel switched.
Nice. So, did these boys get the message? Somebody get the message? Maybe? Manure fine. Not exactly. It's a little bit bigger than a mortar, but yeah. It's 5 more howitzer here. Oh dear. Move it over. It's coming from up there. Yeah. Knock down that whole block. This thing have ammo? A little bit. A little bit more. Move them a little forward. How low can you aim? Still not very low. Useless! Whack!
Channel switched. Channel switched.
If y'all call Jericho, I'll
Error.
give you some information on it. That's still... yeah, okay. Oh, you guys are still near the city, so, howitzers. Not the block I was aiming at, but okay. Let's go back to these guys, see how they're doing. Oh, they cleared out this area. I believe that was one of the targets, so... mark with the blue triangle, I guess. Dead bodies, yeah. The frizz away. Do 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 do. Lightning Stallions, this is Jericho.
Jericho Lightning Stallions, good.
I noticed some large explosions nearby your current location. You good?
For the most part, people that need medical attention are getting it. Is artillery from the artillery objective, which has supposedly been taken.
Roger, I can give you some intel that the artillery is up to your northeast. It's up on the ridge
Roger.
line overlooking you. Just letting you know. Jericho up.
Roger.
Whee! Oh man, I'm so tempted to see if I could shoot that with the fucking artillery piece, but no. Not gonna do that. Just gonna buy more artillery and you're it. Oh shit! Oh, damn, that was this dude. Oh no. At least Nero survived. That sucks. Damn. Alright.
This is Commissioner to Jericho. Do you copy?
Understood, Commissioner. This is Jericho.
Oh, are we allowed to? Well, how should I put this? Sorry. Enemy artillery. Do we destroy it, or can we?
What was that last bit you broke up?
Enemy artillery. Do you want us to destroy it?
I mean, if it's a target, then yeah. But otherwise, you can turn it against them.
That's what I thought you'd say.
Alright then, Jericho out. Man, that poor ambulance. Oh, if I was a real dick, I'd start using this, but I'm not gonna do that. That's too much. Oh dear. They better be careful. All I'm gonna say is they better be careful. You know what? It's gonna be like the one time I spawn any guys here. Spawn a group of mercs. Set them up in this. This needs fuel. I'll unlock it. Give it a little bit of ammo. Hop to it. Oh, you guys got hit by the missile, didn't you? Nothing fire? I think it did. Uh-huh, yep. Ouch. That's unfortunate. I feel kind of bad about that, to be honest. Oof. Full heal Dimitri, the lone survivor. Oh man. This is a conventional army. They have this stuff. Ouch. You I shot at my missile APC there. What is... You having fun down here? Was it desync? Was it really? Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? Exit out. Poor Dimitri's the last one. I'm not gonna teleport him in because I got killed fair and square by this thing. I can very clearly see them with that, and it did lose ammo. Alright. I mean, there's clear evidence that it shot, but... Alright. This APC... Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was the APC, but I mean, you guys were the ones in it, so you would know better than me, I guess. Especially since I wasn't really looking. You're just carrying that boy around.
Buddy joined your channel. Look at that, Drake can run, yay! Oh, hi. We've got two cars. One with a GMG. Yee. What? What happened? What happened? I don't know what happened there, so... Yeah. Just, get back up and keep going. No idea what that was. Sorry, dudes.
For the fun of it, though, I am gonna shoot at you. Down. Maybe it was this that shot at him, huh? Shoot. Off to the left. Oh, that's pretty accurate. Ooh, okay. Meant to aim a little higher than that. Sorry. I'll go Zeus heal you.
Channel switched. Channel switched.
Oh dear. Alright, hop off. Did it just knock them all out again? Every single one of them? Dang! Those things are legit. Oh no. No. Get back up.
Sit rep.
Get him, to your left. Watch out. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, get him. There you go. Nice. With the deagle. Yeah. How about these guys? Oofed. Alright. Get up, broski. Up you get. Continue on. Light the stallions. Continue. These guys are contemplating why they went down twice. One time, my fault. What did they just do? I don't know what that was.
Buddy joined your channel.
Did they take out the missile APC yet? It's not.
Jericho, lightning stallions.
Understood, Lightning Stallions. This is Jericho.
We have taken the artillery piece in northeast by the radio tower.
Very nice. I recommend using it.
Roger.
You can use page up or page down to aim them up and down.
Roger.
You shouldn't be injured already. Unless you were just heavy because of backpack. I don't know. Alright. I'm gonna separate this guy. Make him hold fire. Because I want them to be able to use the GMG Humvee. I'm gonna make him hold fire. Just force hold fire. Ouch. What happened to Langley? Did you just tap his shoulder, Drake? I saw that. I saw that, Drake. Just like dip, dip, dip. Alright. Yeehaw. Oh, jeez, Swagger, you aimed a little low there. Oh no. I'll refund you that. And move it forward for you. There you go. There you go. Careful. White phosphorus is a bitch. Oh, don't shoot Trap Daddy. now! Commissioner, this is Jericho. How copy? Hope you guys don't get shot by your own friendly artillery. Should have your radio set. Oh dear, did they just...
Jericho, be advised, we are deploying a UAV.
Understood. Commissioner, do you read?
Repeat last, Jericho?
Roger, I wanted to tell you that be careful. You have your friends on artillery firing at the place you are running to.
Yeah, we just know.
Oh, you guys are... I'm way more people. It's on the other side of the hill. Yeet.
Report in. Over.
Just remember to tell your friends when you're making big brain plays, yeah? Like running into the base or using artillery against the base. Both of those things coincide with each other. You do not.
I'm hit. There was an MG emplacement on the other side.